Tired of endless email chains that bury important project details? Let's ditch the chaos and learn how to start a new conversation thread in Basecamp, making teamwork a breeze. This video will walk you through the steps. First, navigate to the specific project where you want to start the conversation in the project. Look for the Campfire section while this is where informal, real-time chats happen. Click on Campfire. At the bottom of the Campfire screen, you'll see a text box labeled Write Something. This is where you type your message to kick off the conversation thread. For example, you might ask a question, share an idea, or propose a meeting time. Once you've typed your message, press Enter on your keyboard, or click the Send button. Your message will instantly appear in the Campfire. Now, anyone in the project can reply directly to your message. Hovering over the message reveals options to react with emojis, copy the link, or edit, delete. For more formal or structured discussions, use the Messages section. It works very similarly. Click on Messages. To start a new thread in Messages, click the New Message button. You'll be prompted to enter a subject line. Choose the people you want to include in the conversation, and type your message. The subject line is really important here, as this is what distinguishes it from all the other messages. Fill out the form and then click Post Message to start the new thread, and that's it. By using Campfire for quick chats and messages for more structured discussions, you can keep your project communications organized and efficient. Try it out and let us know in the comments how Basecamp is improving your team's workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips.